Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 50. So we'll go backwards today. Let us begin with question number 1. Two statements are given, followed by conclusion. Just a minute. Two statements are given, followed by two conclusions. The statement number 1 says, all numbers are divisible by 2. So all numbers are divisible by 2. That means any number you pick, it must be divisible by 2. So the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. All the numbers that are divisible by 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Are all these numbers divisible by 6? There would be few numbers which are divisible by 2. There would be few numbers which are divisible by 3. And the common portions are those numbers which are divisible by 2, are divisible by 3, as well as they are divisible by 6. Because the common numbers begins with 6, then the next number will be 12, then the next number will be 18. So all those numbers which are divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3 are definitely divisible by 6. Are these numbers divisible by 4? Not necessarily. Why? Pick a number, suppose 6. 6 is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 4. So we cannot say all the numbers are divisible by 4. So this statement goes wrong. This statement is correct. So only conclusion 1 is correct here. Got it? Let us go to the next question. That is question number 2. In a group of 15 people, so total people will be 15, right? 7 can read French. So one item is French. 7 can read French. No need to write it in the exam hall. Just for explanation, I'm writing it here. English, 8. 3 of them ensure that you don't skip any data. 3 of them can read neither of these two languages, not French or English and English. So it has to be 3 of them. Number of people who can read exactly one language. Exactly means French, but not English. English, but not French. That means exactly one language. How many items are there? 2 items. So that means the Venn diagram will be like this. A, B, C, D. 4 positions are there. I want to give some explanation here. Once you note it down A, B, C, D, what does that mean? Suppose this is the Venn of French. This is the Venn of English. If I say what does A signify? A signifies the person cannot speak French or English and English. What does B signify? B signify person speaks French but not English. What does D signify? D signifies person speaks English but not French. What does C signify? C signifies the person speaks French as well as English. Now, with this idea, can you place this data here? 3 of them can read neither of these two languages. So A will go as 3. I am doing it again here. So can I place 3 here? Yes. So 3 data is given and we have placed 3 here. Now B, C, D total becomes 12, out of which it says number of French is 7. So B plus C is 7. If B plus C plus D is 12 and B plus C is 7, so D will become what? अगर ये total, that is B plus C plus D is 12, because after eliminating A, and B plus C is the number of French, which is 7. So D will be equals to what? D will be equals to 5. So we can write 5 here. Yes or no? Similarly, if I use English, English is total 8. That is C plus D is 8. Yes or no? So C plus D is 8. So B becomes what? B becomes 7. Sorry, 4. How? Because C plus D is 8. So B becomes 4. Now the total is 12. You have already occupied 9. So this becomes 3. The number of people who can read exactly one language. As I said, this position is exactly only French but not English. This position is exactly only English but not French. So the total becomes 9. Yes or no? Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. In a school, 60% of the students play cricket. So cricket, how many? 60%. So if the total students are 100, then 60 students play cricket. Who does not play cricket plays football. That means the remaining 40%, we have only one thing. known to us that they play football. Every football player has got a two-wheeler. Got a two-wheeler. Which of the following conclusion cannot be drawn from the above data? 60% of the students do not have a two-wheeler. This 40% have a two-wheeler, but how can you be pretty sure about the fact that a cricketer does not have a two-wheeler? Is it mentioned anywhere? Nahi. It has only mentioned that every football player has got a two-wheeler. Got it? So this cannot be concluded. So this is wrong. No cricketer has a two-wheeler. Again, the same thing itself. No cricketer has a two-wheeler. How can we be very sure about it? This is also wrong. Cricket players do not play football. It has not mentioned. It has only mentioned that this 40% who don't play cricket play football. But how can you be pretty sure about the fact that cricketer doesn't play football? So you cannot be sure. So none of these options are correct. So your answer would be 1, 2, and 3. Clear? I hope you have got it. Let us proceed to the next problem. All members of a club went to Mumbai and stayed in a hotel. On the first day, 80% went for shopping. So, how many went for shopping? 80%. So, if I assume the total number of people be 100, then 80 people went for shopping. How many went for sightseeing? 50. Whereas 10% took rest in the hotel. How many took rest? 10%. That means these people are not doing any work. How many items are there? 2 items. So can I do the same logic again? If this is shopping and the blue one indicates sightseeing, sorry, the blue one indicates sightseeing. This is sightseeing. This is shopping. Clear? So how many positions we need to assign? A, B, C, and D. Clear? So rest is taken by 10 people. So A goes, the value of A is 10, remaining B plus C plus D. Okay. Now let us see. B plus C plus D has to be 90. Yes or no? Now how many people went for shopping? 80. Yani B plus C is 80. आप देख सकते हो B plus C is 80. So D becomes 10. D becomes 10. Similarly, C plus D is 50. Then B becomes 40. This total was 90. So this becomes 40 again. Now let us go to the question. 40% members went for shopping as well as sightseeing. That is C. 40%. Correct. 20% members went for only shopping. No, it is 10. That is 10%. So this is wrong. Select the correct answer from here. The correct answer would be A only. Got it? Clear? Let us go to the next problem. In a conference, out of total 100 participants, 70 are Indians. So non-Indians are 30. Clear. If 60 of the total participants are vegetarian are total 60, then which of the following either are correct? At least को समझते हैं. What does at least means? At least means कम से कम कितना हो सकता है? Okay. At least 30 Indian participants are vegetarian. At least 30 Indian participants are vegetarian. देखिए, total vegetarian is 60. 60 अगर मैं बनाऊं ऐसा चार्ट, सपोज दिस इज इंडियन, दिस इज नॉन इंडियन, मैं ऐसा बना सकता हूं. आई विल गिव दिस एज टोटल 60. अफोर्डेबल? अलाउड? क्यों? क्योंकि 70 इंडियंस आर देयर. आई कैन गिव 60 हियर, 0 हियर. आई कैन गिव 59 हियर, 1 हियर. So you can see this number is decreasing. I can go till what? This side maximum can go till 30. So this has to go to 30. Then only the sum will be 60. Yes or no? So at least how much? How many Indian participants are vegetarian? 30. So this answer is correct. Similarly, at least 10 Indian participants are non-vegetarian. If total vegetarians are 60, the non-vegetarians would be 40. Non-vegetarian, again I will assign non-Indians. I can give this as 40. 70 total है. I can give 40. यहाँ पे 30 है. Can I give 0? Yes. I can take this till what? And this till what? I can take this till 30. So this has to become 10. So at least how many non-Indians are non-vegetarians? 10. So can I say at least 10 Indian participants are non-vegetarian? Absolutely correct. So both the statements are correct. Hence the answer is both 1 and 2. Got it? I hope you have got it from this tabular notation. Let us go to the next problem. 19 boys turn out for playing hockey. hockey. How many boys? 19 boys. Of these, 11 are wearing hockey shirts. Hockey shirts, 11. 14 are wearing hockey pants. 14 are wearing hockey pants. This is hockey shirt, hockey pants. A, B, C, and D. So, 11 wearing hockey shirts. So, can I say B plus C will be 11? C plus D will be 14 hockey pants. There are no boys without shirts or pants. So, A will be 0. Clear? What is the number of boys wearing full uniform? Full uniform will be C. So, we need to find C. Before that, B plus C plus D will be equals to 19. Use 2 times. B plus C is 11. So if this is 11, so D becomes 8. So ये 8 हो जाएगा. Use the second one. C plus D will be 14. Then B will be 5. B becomes 5. Now use this one. B plus C plus D अगर 19 है, 5 plus 8 will be 13. This will be 6. Yes or no? So how many number of boys wearing full uniform? That is 6. Clear? I hope you have got it. Let us proceed to the next problem. This is a question which will be dealing in the statement based at the end. You can skip it as of now. Coming to this question. In a group of persons traveling in a bus, 6 persons can speak Tamil. So how many can speak Tamil? 6. How many can speak Hindi? 15. How many can speak Gujarati? 6. So total 3 items. So can I say this will be the chart? 3 items. If 2 persons in the group can speak 2 languages only, 2 languages only will be this one, and this one. If we give them some value, let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. So can I say B plus D plus F will be equals to 2? Only one person can speak all the 3 languages. So E will be 1. It has asked you how many persons are there in the group. How many persons are there will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. E is 1. B plus D plus F will be 2. So we have to find A plus C plus G plus 3 value. How to find A plus C plus G value? A plus C plus G value can be obtained from the given data. यहाँ पे given क्या है? Tamil is 6. That means can I say A plus B plus D plus 1, which is this one, equals to 6. So can I say A plus B plus D equals to 5? Yes or no? Similarly, the next one is Gujarati, which is also 15. Can I say B plus C plus 1 plus F equals to 16? Therefore, B plus C plus F equals to 15. This is for explanation. I'm writing it down. But in exam, you have to do it very fast. 1 equals to 6. The last one. D plus F plus G equals to 5. Now you can clearly observe you have got 3 equations where you need to find A, C, and G. B is occurring 2 times, D is occurring 2 times, F is occurring 2 times. If you add them, A plus C plus G, 2 times of B plus D plus F, this is equals to 5, this will be 15, and this will be 5, which gives you 15 plus 10, that is 25. Yes or no? Clear? Sorry, यहाँ पे 15 है. So this will be 14. So this becomes 24. B plus D plus F is what? B plus D plus F is 2 here. So this becomes 4. This goes this side, becomes 20. So A plus C plus G will be 20. If A plus C plus G is 20, 20 plus 3 becomes 23. Got it? I hope you have got it. So the answer is 23. The trick for this question, what you can do is, rather than taking the sum as 2, let us assign one value as 2. आप इसको कैसे करोगे? देखो यहाँ पे ये है और ये है और ये है. सब्जेक्ट दैट दिस नंबर इज नॉट गेटिंग वायलेटेड, मैं इसको 2 दे देता हूँ. ये दोनों को 0 मान लेता हूँ. ये 1 हो गया. ये तमिल था. So if this is Tamil, then this has to be 3. If this is Gujarati, 2, 1, 3, this becomes 12. If this is Hindi, if this is Hindi, so this becomes 12. If this is Gujarati, then this becomes 5. Now add them. 12 plus 3 is 15, 2, 17, 5, 22, 1, 23. So the value is 23. In either of the case, you got the same answer. So this can be used also. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. So we come to an end to this session. So we'll see you again in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Jai Hind.